Hey you guys, Lori Frederick here. Do you ever feel like you have a lot of tension in your neck, or you just feel like everything's bringing you forward and crunching you into this really crappy posture? Well, I kind of feel that way. And I remembered my favorite tool to use for this is rock floss, but not in the way that you're thinking. I'm actually going to have it unroll, all right, and use it the long way. I'm going to start it from the back, and I want to approximate the middle, right? Kind of try to find the middle, but put it up a little bit high on your back, and then take these and flip them over. You're going to flip them and then cross them in the back, okay? And you want to give this, there you go, a little pull and a little cross. So what I can do is I can get it to a point where I can actually make a connection and tie it. If you are bigger and it's not tying, they do make a new longer rock floss, but you can just hold it, okay? And what I like to do with this is a bit of contract, relax, okay? So these points of tension are actually helping assist my pull backwards, but it's flexy, so I can contract and get into this really crappy posture and then come out of it, and contract and come out of it. So my body starts to learn where home base is, right? So you should be able to stand with your arms hanging down your midline, not in front of you like this. That's just your own posture check. You can check yourself in the mirror and do from here, and straight on. You don't want to be here seeing the backs of your hands and everything. You want to be hanging, and this helps feel good. So even some chest opening here, neck opening to get that open, because all of this is getting shorter and we want to lengthen it and get your body to really learn, hi, here's home base. This is what good posture feels like. And then because of the way this is set up, it really isn't restricting a lot of circulation. You don't want to wear it all day, okay, because it is tight here, but you can wear it a little longer than the usual 3 to 5 minutes. And then sit in it, move around in it, kind of feel your body and how it's adjusting. It's my favorite reset for when you feel like you're being a hunchback. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Make a comment below and make sure to follow so you can see me on the next one.